Hello everyone, welcome to Best T-shirt Designs. I am wishing each and every one of you happy new year, and I am going to go through some of my works that I did in 2020, and this was the best year of my life. I started this channel for just for fun reasons. I wanted to just screen record some of my works, then I start getting supports from you guys, and then I started to make videos, and I am trying to explain my work process. I'm not very good explainer, of course, and I'm a little weak in English, of course, but still I am trying my best. Whatever I can do best for you, I am trying my best. And thank you each and every one of you who has subscribed or just watched my videos. You guys are inspiring me a lot, and I'm really thankful to each and every one of you. So this 2020 was the best year of my life. I just, after an accident at like from 2018, then my life was just, the direction was totally changed, and then I come back by doing some good designs. I don't know if this is good or bad. I'm going to just go through some of my works. This one I did. I have the video in my channel. You can watch it. This was the design I did for the Day of the Dead. Dead. It's the Maria Felix. It's a hand drawing design I did. This one also is a hand drawing. I'm not a very good at drawing, but I did this one for one of my client, and he didn't like this one. So I uploaded this one to my Redbubble store, and I get 3 sales on this design as a t-shirt. So that was a epic one for me. This one you will find the video for Halloween. These are some works I did in 2020, and this was really a great year for me. And I get a, especially I'm doing this t-shirt design, it's quite long time now, but in 2020 I get this response from you guys. I get this supports from you guys. You are subscribing to my channel, and that really means a lot for me. These are all designs you will find videos on my channel, and I really like this year. This was meant to be the worst year of my life, because at the beginning, like in the January or February, I was in, like in a bed. I could not move my, there was 6 metal stainless steel rods in my leg, and I worked like that. So this is a really good year for me, and to be honest, I learned a lot from making these designs. I'm still learning. Each and every day I am just learning a new things from watching others work, practicing my own works. These are all designs. You will find videos on my channel, and you can just watch them. This was a drawing for a design. This one also was a drawing for Muhammad Salah. Now I'm just going to go through some of my works. Okay, there are maybe some works are, this was a drawing I did for a client. It was from a basketball event, and this was also a drawing. These are all drawings. This one especially I did because this Obama hope poster effect, I was not able to create this on Photoshop in very like the way I wanted, so I make this one in Illustrator, and this was really turned out really good. These are some this is the mimic cat. I take this image from Google, but this was a request to make the exact same cat with the Christmas theme. This was some drawings I did. This one was for that space cat theme I did for a client. These are all, you will get videos on my channel, and I thank you all of you guys who are supporting me going through this process. If this channel was not, like, you are not supporting my channel, then I don't know what I was doing. I was doing my own work for clients, but you see, when I was in bed, it was really hard for me to spend times and do some good things for you guys. These are all my recent designs. You can find videos, and I really like these designs, and you can see each and everything I made live. You can see them in my channel, of course. So this is just to show you guys what I achieved in this 2020 2020 sorry for that. And these are really, I don't know if this is good or bad, but I enjoyed this year. I did a lots of work in this year. These are all videos you will find in my channel, and yeah, outside is, it's just started the celebration. So thank you everyone. I just wanted to share some of my these works with you guys, because without your support this was not possible. I was just doing some client works, and you can see these are not some client works, these are premium works, and this I just did to show you guys, just teach you guys. So this was really special for me. This design is really selling well, of course, and each and everything I exported I ever made in Illustrator, it is just in this folder. This is the greatest folder of my computer. You can see every design I made, every design I am showing you guys. This is the legend one I did, and then I created one version for each month. This is the September 1920 1971, October, November, like this. I did show you the one design in my channel, but then later I made 12 version of that design. So yeah, this was some really good works. I started my t-shirt design course also in 2020. So this was the greatest year, and especially greatest because now people are started knowing me, knowing about my works. So that's really great. This one is a drawing I did. This was a vector from free pick, this astronaut, then the rest is my drawing, the effect, the texture you can see here. So these are really great designs. I think some of my works are really makes me feel proud, and of course for your support. Each and everything is just because you guys. If you are not supporting my channel, then I was not doing this kind of works. You see, this one was just to explain the transparency. I didn't have the idea how it will turn out, or how what I will end up doing, but I wanted to just explain the transparency, and I made this design. So this was really great for me, of course, and I hope that gives you some idea to learn something new. You can see every video's thumbnail is here. I export everything in this folder. So this is really, these designs I don't know how good or bad they are, but they helped me a lot, just improving my works. You can see this one, you will find the video in my channel. Each and everything you can see here, you will find videos on my channel. I shared some graphic styles with you guys. I hope you are working with them, and this is really great to share. Okay guys, so I just wanted to wish you happy new year for everyone. May whichever god, whichever religion you are following, I wish you get the best from the 2021. I wish that becomes the best year of your life. You can just achieve whatever you want, and may God bless you all. May Allah bless you all. If you are a Muslim, Christians, I don't know, I do not care about that. Whichever religion you are, just get the best from your life. That's what my wish for you. And of course, I will hope that you will pray for me. I'm still recovering from my accident, and not completely recovered yet, but yeah, I'm good. I'm better than previous year at least. So that's it guys. I hope you learned a lots of new things from my channel by following my works. If this channel is helping you guys, keep supporting me. I will keep making new designs for you, and I will keep inspiring new designers who want to come in this t-shirt design industry. And this is a really good industry to work with. This is really a great place to start your career. And if you just want to start a passive income, t-shirt design is also good for that, because not just you will work for your client, you can work on many different websites, like stock websites, passive income websites, like print on demand websites. You can just create a t-shirt design, you can upload that on different stock sites, you can upload that on Teespring, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, whichever website you can have. And this is really a good place to start. And as a graphic designer, t-shirt design is really a good thing to start your career. But the one rule here it is that you have to be the good, you have to be the best, be good at whatever you do, and success will follow you guys. So this was the presentation I make for one of my videos. I wanted to keep this in my portfolio, so I made a presentation like this. So you can do that in Illustrator also. This was a design that was published in one of German's local magazines, and my client sent me a photo of that. That was really a proud moment for me. So that's it, guys. I hope I will keep making new videos for 2021, and that can just you can also keep supporting me by subscribing my channel. Comment whatever you want to know about the video. I will try to explain them. Let's just pray for each other. Have a great year ahead, and of course, do good. You will get everything good in your life. So that's it, guys. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video, guys. Have a great time. Happy New Year 2021 to all. Thank you again.